you've seen all the new faces and PBA is now 50. Ano masasabi mo?
Very emotional. Thank you sa lahat. 50 years of the basketball and life. Talagang ganda yung moment na to. Talagang PBA kasi dun tayo nag-start and very grateful. Honored and blessed to be part of PBA at 50.
Sir, looking back at your career, medyo napaka-reminisce po ba kayo now that you're 50?
Wala yung usapan, but nag-enjoy naman ako and binigay naman lahat yung heart and everything. It's syempre for the PBA and for the fans. For God na nagbigay sa akin ng talent. And syempre sa Fearful Team all the way, 1988 until now. Thank you very much.
Sir, what do you miss the most about PBA and play? What do you miss the most?
Playing? Pwede lang no? But syempre, the fans talaga big part of the PBA and syempre and championships, matagal na kasi since 2018 pa, last championship ng Pure Foods. We're praying for another championship.
Emotional moment ba to for you being here?
Seeing the current players, tapos mamaya mga kasabay ko and my former teammates, talaga talaga, I miss them.
Kap, gano'ng kalaking bagay na meron tayong ganitong event na yung past players nagkakaroon ng interaction with their current stars and future stars na PBA?
Doon yung respect and of course, alam nila na kita niya yung improvement ng PBA before and today. And syempre, nami-meet nila yung mga former players. That's talagang siya. Yung blessing, that's a blessing. Mag-gather talaga lahat. Even the governors, the owners, dito. PBA officials, commissioners. Talagang saludo ako.